About to come up, Sole Provider 9A. Occupying stall number 12. And there, all inside, ready to race, race number 7. Anytime now. And they're up, Sharp Cookie, moving up, grand total together with Surround Sound, Jade and Diamond by the rail, lever action, then moving up is 9A, Sole Provider, as they head towards the last 600, grand total, 9A, Sole Provider, then comes Jade and Diamond, lever action, racing in port, moving up on the outside, Sir Barbaro, Surround Sound also in there, as the action kicks to the last 450. Sole Provider now the leader. Jade and Diamond running by the rail. Grand total moving up. Surround Sound. Lever action. Then comes Sir Barbaro with 150 to go. It's still anybody's race. Sole Provider moving up. Surround Sound. Surround Sound. Sole Provider. And finally close one between Surround Sound and Sole Provider. For A, Sir Barbaro, and another close finish between Grand Total and Live in Manila for your Pentapecta.
Hindi naman tayo na pahiya doon kasi sabi ko naman re-remati yung 8 parimati darating. Sabi mo naman yung 4